Metasploit is a powerful tool that opens the door to the world of penetration testing and ethical hacking. Imagine having a Swiss Army knife for security assessments right at your fingertips. That's what Metasploit offers. It's an open-source framework that allows you to find vulnerabilities in systems, exploit them, and ultimately help organizations strengthen their defenses. Let's dive into the core components. The heart of Metasploit is its modules. There are three main types: exploits, payloads, and auxiliary modules. Exploits are the code that takes advantage of vulnerabilities in software. Payloads are what you deliver after a successful exploit. Think of them as the actions you want to perform, like opening a reverse shell or adding a user. Auxiliary modules can perform various tasks, from scanning networks to fuzzing applications. Getting started is straightforward. After installing Metasploit, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the command line interface. It might seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's quite intuitive. Use the search command to find exploits related to specific software. For instance, if you're targeting a web application running on Apache, you can search for Apache and see a list of available exploits. Once you've identified a suitable exploit, it's time to configure it. Use the use command followed by the exploit's path. Then, set the necessary options, like the target IP address and the payload you want to use. This is where the magic happens. You can customize your payload to suit your needs, whether you want a simple command shell or a more complex Meterpreter session. Now, let's talk about the Meterpreter. This is one of the most powerful payloads in Metasploit. It's not just a shell, it's a full-featured environment that allows you to interact with the target system in real time. You can run commands, upload files, and even pivot to other machines on the network. It's like having a remote control for the system you've compromised. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always ensure you have permission before testing any system. Ethical hacking is about helping organizations improve their security, not causing harm. As you gain confidence, explore Metasploit's extensive documentation and community resources. There are countless tutorials and forums where you can learn from others' experiences. Practice makes perfect, so set up your own lab environment. Use virtual machines to simulate different operating systems and applications. This hands-on experience is invaluable. In conclusion, Metasploit is an essential tool for anyone serious about cybersecurity. It empowers you to identify vulnerabilities and understand how attackers think. Embrace the learning curve, and soon you'll be exploiting like a pro. The world of ethical hacking